UTouch was formed in 2003 and we have offices now and a factory facility in Poland, just outside Krakow. The building is 20,000 square foot. We have the capability of storing over 1,000 displays. We can integrate 1,000 units a month. We have a front of office team here at UTouch Poland, technical sales team giving support 24 hours a day, AutoCAD and SolidWorks capability in-house, 3D printer which enables us to produce golden samples very quickly for customers. I have a demonstration facility here, as you can see behind me. We have meeting rooms here at UTouch for our customers coming in. There's a number of different stages in our manufacturing process. We take the raw materials in. We obviously use a lot of glass, it's a very key component. As thin as possible, so we're trying to use 3mm glass only as much as possible, even on the large sizes now. Once the glass has been checked, it then goes into the lamination process, adding this 4H hard coat. Once that process is finished, the laminations has been inspected, again very closely inspected because there can be no contaminations whatsoever. We have also metalwork coming into the building that needs to be checked. Other components coming into the building, of course, very important part of the touchscreen components as they come in from various companies all over the world. We have a dedicated area for testing the touchscreen components when they come in to the building. If there's a fault finding process as well, it's done within this R&D centre. The integration area at UTouch Poland is a high-tech, clean facility where the integration of various touch technologies is done. It's an area with correct lighting and heating and clean air. The technicians are earthed through a particular special ESD flooring. We also have wristbands and they have special shoes as well. So they are earthed at all times. Build tables are also earthed when these integrations are taking place. UTouch is removing the original bezel from the passive non-interactive display and then integrating our glass, touch and bezel to make it a fully integrated interactive product. The power supplies that we create to take the power internally are to the display manufacturer's recommendations. The interactive stations that the touchscreen technician works from have been specially designed for maximum productivity. The touchscreen technician has all the tools, tapes that he needs for the integration process. The metalwork, the glass are all within easy reach of the technician. The air that we use to clean the glass as the integration is done is a special, highly filtered, compressed air. We also have the ability to fabricate metal, weld metal and cut metal in-house. This enables us to quickly build samples for customers. The technicians go through a stringent training program and they take a number of months before they're actually allowed to be unsupervised. During the final testing stage, we have special designed software to ensure that the touchscreen functionality is perfect. We also test the remote controls to make sure that they are working as they should. There is a number of final checks that we do before the product is put back into the original box. Serial numbers are generated early on in the integration process, and these numbers stay with the product. And then these numbers enable the product to be tracked in the future if there's any technical support questions which come up. We know exactly what product was integrated, the size, the brand, etc. Because we recognize that we are integrating for global display manufacturers, recognized household names, we have to work to an extremely high standard. UTouch has a controlled temperature storage facility for over 1,000 displays. We have to keep these in such a way We understand they're extremely expensive items and they are stored safely close to the production area to be able to be pulled upon where required. We understand the touchscreens need to arrive on time, and our procurement team makes sure that this happens and tracks the goods through, keeps the customer informed where their touchscreen is at any one time. We have a number of products coming out. We have interactive tables which have object recognition. 55-inch and 65-inch seems to be a popular size. We have interactive mirrors. Interactive video walls is also a popular thing coming through more and more. What makes UTouch unique is we have the capability of being able to listen to the customer's requirements, understand where the touchscreen is going to live, and we're not just forcing one technology which may not be appropriate for the environment where the interactive solution is going to live. UTouch will continue to support its repeat customers and work closely with the display manufacturers, key distribution partners and key dealers. We understand the importance of listening to them and working with them to win projects together. UTouch looks forward to growing and expanding throughout the world, and UTouch continuing to be a market leader in providing cutting-edge interactive solutions.